Moonstar here. I was hearing these sounds when I was in the house this late August morning, and I was like, what is that? I come out and I look up at the tall pines across from the house to the west, and now I can't see him, but there's a little squirrel way up in the trees there, knocking these pine cones literally down off the pine tree branches to the ground. When they fall, they're hitting everything, including the metal roof of our barn. There he is. See him way up here? Can't zoom in any close. He's right there. Watch. See? In over 14 years that I've lived out here, I've never seen this. Yes, I've seen pine cones, the trees, and the squirrel, but not all together. There he goes again. What the heck? See, it's hitting the metal roof of the barn over here. When they come down, it makes a big bang sound. My dog's behind me whining because she's not too happy with it. What the heck? What a loud little character. You know, there's been times I've seen pine cones laying around with all the little pine cone petals, if you will, missing. So perhaps the squirrel is trying to harvest them. I don't know if they eat them or what, but very interesting this Friday morning at the end of August 2021. That's really different. I don't know. I don't know where he went. It's so funny. I never realized that squirrels would, chew on the pine cones and pull them down. There's always something new to discover in nature, that's for sure. Okay, well, at least now my dog and I know who's making the noise.